Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription on Ladder. So canceling your apps or your Ladder subscription depends on where you subscribed. You don't cancel inside the app only, so you must use the platform that handles your payments. So if you subscribed on your iPhone using the Apple App Store, for example, so this is the most common method, of course, because Ladder supports iPhone and vice versa. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the settings on your phone, right here, so your device settings, and then tap your Apple ID or your name that's located at the top. And then just go and tap on the subscriptions option. It's the third option, and inside it you will need to find a Ladder, right, or Ladder app. So just tap it and then tap cancel subscription option. So your access continues until the end of the billing period, so you should know that. Let's say that you subscribed using your Android. Okay, so you will need to open the Google Play Store, then just tap your profile icon that's located at the top right, and then go to the payments and subscriptions, tap subscriptions and select Ladder, and then just cancel the subscription right there. So it's important to note that deleting the app does not cancel the payments, and you still keep access until the end of your paid period, and even canceling at least before renewal to avoid next charge, and you will usually receive a confirmation email after canceling just to make sure that it got canceled. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.